Hey everybody, back again with another video lesson. This time it's number 7 and 8 in your book. We introduce another new note on the mallets, on the keyboard. We had F, we had E flat, we had D, and now we have C. C is right there. That's another one that you should just always memorize where it is on your keyboard. Anytime there's a set of 2, it's down to the left, right there. Okay. By the way, I don't know that I've mentioned this. This pattern right here with the 3 and 2 and 3 and 2 and all that, and then the letter names underneath, is also the same as a pattern on a piano. Okay. So if you look at a piano keyboard, and I'll turn my camera around so you can see my piano over here. Oh, but I don't want to knock over my speaker. Okay, on a piano keyboard, it's the same kind of deal. There's a set of 3 and a set of 2, and a set of 3 and a set of 2. So just, that's how it works. So like for example, find a set of 3 and it's down to the left, that's F. Here's E flat, D, C. The same is true on your keyboard. F, E flat, D, C. Turn you back over here. So, the note the new note for this one is C. Go ahead and find that on your keyboard, or on your bell kit rather. And here we go. Let's play. I'll share my screen. Number 7, the long haul. So that note is C. You'll notice once again we're moving down the staff, so the D up here was on the line, C is on the space right below it. Okay? We're going to play this. We'll hold it, or we'll count 4 beats and then rest 4 beats. Here we go. On a C. Remember your grip. 1. Oh, here, let's turn on the metronome. Here we go. 1, 2, play C with me. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3. Once again. And 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to tap your foot as you're counting, and always be counting. In fact, get into the habit now of counting out loud as you play. It's a good idea to start that right now to get a kinesthetic and oral and speaking and all that stuff, get all that sense of time together. Let's look at number 8. Once again, we're adding the notes that we've learned so far. We've had F, we had E flat, we've had D, and now we're adding C. Check the sticking, right, left, right, left, right, and then right, left, right, left, right. There's a new symbol here at the very end that's called a repeat sign. A repeat sign tells you to do exactly that. Repeat the whole thing one more time. So go back to the beginning and play again. So here we go. Let's play number 8. Take a look at those notes for a second, then we'll get started. Here we go. Number 8. 1, 2. Get the right sticking. Number 8. 2, 3, 4. Oops. Hi everybody. Got another video lesson for you. This time we're going to do number 7 and number 8 in your book. So, the new note that they introduced in number 7 is the note C. So far we've had F, we've had E flat, we've had D, and C is just one more to the left. And then we're going to go one more after that later. But now the new note is C, And that's another one that you should always just sort of know where it is. And the way that you figure that out, remember we have our pattern 3 and 2 and 3 and 2. Find a set of 2, and down to the left is C. It's always going to be C. C's right there. It's over here too. Oop. Okay? So, go ahead and take a second and find that bar on your instrument. And then we'll get started. I will share my screen with you so that you can see. Here we go. Number 7, the long haul. Once again, notice that C is on a space. It's the next space down. D up above was on a line, and now C is the note right below that, and it's on a space. So, here we go. Number 7. I'll turn on my metronome. Remember, we're going to play each one, count 4 beats for the note, and then rest for 4 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, and again, and 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So let's take a look at number 8. Once again, we're adding more notes. We've had F earlier, and then we added E flat and D, and now we're adding C to the bottom here. So check your sticking. We have right, left, right, left, right. Then we rest for a while. Then right, left, right, left, right. So what that means is you're not going to be able to hover your one hand over the other bars as you're playing other ones like you could before. You're going to have to move them sort of one at a time together to go to where you're going. So, oh, there's one other thing that I need to point out. At the very end, there's a brand new musical symbol, and that is called a repeat sign. A repeat sign does exactly what it seems like it would. It tells you to go back to the beginning and repeat the whole thing again. So, we play C, 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 D, F, 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 E flat, then we repeat back to the beginning. C, 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 D, F, 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 E flat, and we're done. The important thing about the repeat is it doesn't add any time to anything. So it's going to go, you're just going to go straight back to the very beginning. So be ready when we get to the end of that 4th measure to go back to the beginning. Here we go. Number 8. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2, and repeat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And we're done. That was it. How'd you do? All right? Let's try it again. Once again, make sure you're counting and tap your foot. It even says count and tap beneath number 8 there. Make sure you're tapping your foot and counting along with the steady beat. Here we go. One more time. Count out loud as you play this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. That's number 7 and 8. Stay tuned. We'll be back with the next 2 next time. See you then.